Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe.
Don't go up already. Hi, Dad. How are you? Don't tell.
Real long time. Good morning. Morning.
How you doing? Mama. How far now?
Ask her if I can phone.
No, they are still in the car. Hey, Mama. Hi, Mom.
Mommy, you're fresh, oh.
I'm fresh.
Your skin so smooth.
I'm struggling to sleep.
I know.
I'm struggling to sleep, yeah.
Your body clock has changed.
The energy booster Auntie T gave me because of the medication.
Yeah.
She told me that you will not be able to sleep, but that you need it.
Just lie down, the sleep will come.
Oh, good to see you.
Good to see you, my dear. Good to see you. Where is that Mebele?
We don't drop her for school.
Oh.
Don't worry, you will see how when school is. You will see how when school is. She wants to come and see if I don't want to see my grandma. I said, don't worry. When school is over, you will see your grandma.
I missed her.
I know. You missed her silly. And she missed you too.
I missed her.
You come and take her.
To go to America. And she went on the aeroplane with you. Then people will go and see your little.
I wish it was as easy as that.
I know. Hi, mommy. I did, man.
It's good to be back.
It's good to be home. It's good to be home. Go and sleep, oh. See ya. See ya later, alligator.
How is my skin?
Your skin is glowing now. Isn't that not the America you go? You know, see skin, eh? They missed you on the vlog. Yes, sir. Yes,
I will try to do
sir.
like this. I will say, Zulu grandma. Zulu grandma. You just look like that. Zulu grandma. Zulu grandma. Then he will not do his mouth like this. He will not do like this. So cute.
He's so cute. I know. Oh gosh, she's all good, mom. Go and sleep. We'll come and see you later.
All right.
Bye, yeah.
Thank you, my dear.
Bye. Bye, mom.
Much later.
I'm right here.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too. Hi guys, good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing good. You guys must have seen me earlier in the morning when I went to greet my mom. She came back early hours of this morning from the US. I just dropped Miaru's off in school. Jessie and I dropped Miaru's off in school, and then we did a U-turn to Mom's house just to go and greet her. I know that
Pick me up.
Daddy picked you up. Yeah, I did it because I was working. But yeah, we just really wanted to see her because we knew that with jet lag and all of that, she would want to just sleep. So we're like, you know what, let's allow this woman sleep, okay? And we'll come back much later, especially because Mia Rose has missed her silly, and she too has missed Mia Rose silly. So I'm taking Mia there now. This is past 3 p.m. She should have slept for about, let me see, roughly about 8 hours. If she slept, because my mother that I know very well, that sleep, maybe she slept for like an hour or two and she will wake up. I don't know. But anyways, we're going over there now. We still have a lot to catch up on, and I haven't seen her in a month. So I mean, I can literally spend the next 5 days there non-stop before she resumes work. But anyways, Mama, you ready for us to go?
Yeah.
Want to go see your grandma?
Yeah.
Come now, let's see you. Hi, how are you?
Today,
How are you?
I'm going to go to Grandma's.
You're going to see your grandma. How excited are you?
I'm excited.
You're excited. So how excited are you to go see grandma?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You're very excited?
I'm very excited.
That's amazing. So can we now wear our shoes and go?
I wear my shoes.
You want your shoes already?
Mommy.
Your Crocs.
Mommy, is it blue or
Yeah,
pink?
it's blue.
Mommy, I didn't wear the pink.
Yeah, I don't know why you didn't wear the pink. You wanted to wear this one, so that's fine, I guess.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Come here, I'm going to be the pink one.
No, it's fine. The blue one is fine. It's fine. Trying to apply some lip balm on my lips. I feel a bit rested. I mean, the last couple of days I've not really stressed myself to upload and all of that, so I actually do feel a bit more refreshed now. What? What is it? What is it? I said I will leave you here. If you keep misbehaving, I won't take you with me. Oh yeah, don't cry, we are going. Don't cry, we are going. Clean your eyes. All right. Let's go.
If you tried, you wouldn't understand it.
Hey, Grandpa miss you. Hey, how are you? How was school?
She's like, she thinks her grandma is not here. She's like, where the hell is my grandma, Dad?
Let's say hello to Grandpa now. Say, Grandpa, I missed you. I like your top. I like your top.
Thank you, Wendy. Yeah, let's go and find grandma.
I'll have to go.
She's supposed to care for her grandma. She don't care.
Hello, Chica. Hello, my love. Zami.
You got to America.
You
I went to America. Zami Zami, Grandma missed you. Afternoon, my dear. Jessie, how are you? Grandma missed you.
Mommy, have fun now. You're still relaxing. She coughed everybody. Somebody that will say, I'm not here for you. I'm here for my grandma. She was looking around like, where is the woman that just came back? Where is she?
Zami. Grandma missed you.
Say hi, grandma.
I went to carry your little cousin. Your little cousin. Zulora. I went to carry Zulora all Machu.
You don't sleep. Did you sleep, mommy? Did you really sleep? Say the truth.
Man, that's energy boost. That thank God I didn't take the second one in
Should have kept you awake and active.
You know, I didn't really sleep.
Just resting.
I just said, okay, let me just get up, touch.
See how me Adonia is just planting kisses all over your body, on your face, on your neck, everywhere. Chai. Come on.
Hey baby, grandma's Zam. Grandma missed you. Your grandma missed you.
Can I now rest? My jama. Once she got back from school, I told her, guess who is back? Grandma is back and grandpa is back. My jama. My jama. Really?
I said the only two people I missed. My granddaughter, and my special daughter, Wendy. They are the only two people I missed.
You said the same thing when you went in December and you came back. Is it that we were not worthy of missing?
No,
or
I'm
what?
done with two people.
You are done?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't understand.
I'm done with you like from the day I get back to you until the day I handed you over to Jessie. I was done.
Really, mommy. So if I decide to travel for 1 month now, you will not miss me. If I decide to travel for 1 month, bring me a rose here and travel.
I thought that you bring me a rose here.
What? What, mommy?
I thought that you bring her here.
You guys, people can see now.
I thought that you bring her here, then you can
Wow.
go. So
who says this woman there? As usual, people know the drill now. Momsy went to America with 2 suitcases, came back with an extra one. That is, no, she went with 2 suitcases, left one there, came back with one new one, one new hand luggage, and one brand another box that my brother gave to her. The one she traveled with, she abandoned it there and brought back new ones. Look at her collection of suitcases. See. Look at see.
Melly dropped this one. Melly was begging me for this one.
Mommy, you should be giving us suitcase now. Look, giving us suitcase. Momsy. Let the opening begin. I know I have things that I ordered that Momsy just brought back for me. Is it the normal things now? Do you know that? You guys, let me give you gist. Do you know that for the longest time since my mom goes to America, in the last 24 years, this woman goes to America. She would always come back with fried chicken. You guys should just help me see. She will always come back with fried chicken. As in, just look at 3 big Ziploc bags. What am I saying? 3, 4. I don't know what the tradition is with this fried chicken, but you guys always do it.
You will always collect your
and I will always collect my own bag. Oh yes. You know what it is? Since I've been a child, since my mother has been going to America, she'll come back with fried chicken. They will cook it in the house, fry it, pack it, and put it inside box. I'm just like, what?
And then before my sister's children left the house, they were always looking forward because they don't eat fried chicken. Their mother does not eat. They baked their chicken.
Oh, they bake.
So before Ike left the house, Ike was always looking forward to my coming.
So you're coming because when you are going, you must fry chicken. Oh my goodness. So see it now, you guys. This is only chicken. Only chicken. Me, one bag is my own share. I'm not even going to talk too much. Yes, mommy. Yes, I said it. One bag belongs to me. Grandma, I'm already saying one fine thing there.
What? This one?
Yeah.
Santiago.
Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. It's so cute. See my baby. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this boy. I swear. I'm so obsessed. Your little cousin. Oh, he's so cute.
Grandpa Zulu. He knows my voice. I'll say Grandpa Zulu. Grandma Zulu. Grandpa Zulu, Grandma Zulu. Then he will smile.
Look at his tiny little feet. He's so cute. Aww. Oh, so cute. And these are iPhone pictures, so.
Yeah, Chucky uses
his iPhone. He used to snap it.
Yeah, he snapped it. Then now printed it out after 1 month.
Oh, that's great. Okay, these are Jesse's batteries. These batteries are even for Jesse, not me. Yeah, baby.
My love. My love. My love. My love. My love. Grandma's love.
Hey, it's chocolate.
See her mouth like chocolate. Yeah, it's chocolate. You don't need to use your eye and see chocolates.
I want to open it.
No, Grandma said the one she will open, she will bring it out. Grandma always buys the best stuff for me and Rose. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. And it came with a headband. Mia that loves headbands. Oh, that's so pretty.
No, you can't open it now.
We're not gonna open it now, girl. Oh, Mama, look. Oh, I love these dresses. They're so cute. Can I see that one? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, it's so cute. You want to go show Daddy? Yeah. Go show Daddy downstairs. Oh, by the way, guys, I had to shop on Shein for Momsy to bring back for me because I had a gift card.
I'm always bringing back things.
Mommy.
And when I'm going, they will not give me not even $1. $1 to add to excess. But I will come back.
Mommy, I didn't give you $1 when you were going.
You can make it.
Wait, but I didn't give you.
You didn't give me money now.
Do you mean it? Oh, I thought I did. Okay, sorry, I owe you.
You didn't give me money.
I owe you.
Eh?
I owe you. I thought I did.
Go and the half of what I'm bringing back is what you ordered in Amazon.
It's not Amazon. It's not Amazon.
What do they call them?
It's not Shein. This one is Shein.
Mommy, can I open it?
It's for Grandma. Me, I'm just looking. Now look at the look. Oh, that's so pretty, Mom.
Wow.
Hey, Mimi, wait, Biko.
I also got this for myself.
Okay, Red Door. I know you like Red Door now. Red Door is one of your classics right here. But wow, this is so nice, Mom. Mommy, this is the first time you're buying perfume for yourself. You don't buy perfume for yourself. People are always giving you perfumes.
I did a mental
That's nice.
thing of mine.
Okay, to buy yourself some perfume. So that's nice. Aww. Jimmy Choo Blossom. I wonder how this smells. I don't know what it smells like. So I had a gift card and I couldn't use it on the Shein Nigerian website, the one that ships to Nigeria. So I had to use it on the Shein US website, and Momsi brought it back for me. Right, I brought them back. So expect a haul soon, guys. Expect a Shein haul coming very, very soon. Okay, so I'm having poundo and correct ofe nsala, the real asaba ofe nsala. You guys know now, you know. I'm so famished, so this is definitely what I need right about now. With better fresh fish, plenty of dry fish, just the way I like it. I hate semo. Listen.
We love colors, vibrant colors.
A little bit. He'll come back. Thank you. The two of them, best friends.
He's humble like